Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can delete your Skype account. So you have been using a Skype account to video conference or video call your friends and family, but now you want to delete that account because of some reasons, but you can't figure out how you can delete your account. In today's video, that is exactly what I'm going to show you. So watch the video till the end and follow the simple steps to delete your Skype account. Now, in order to delete a Skype account, the first thing you need to do is open the Skype application in your Windows. Once you open the Skype application, you land on an interface like this. This is the home page of your account. Now, what you need to do is go to the options menu, then click on settings. Once you go to the settings, a new window will open. It will look something like this. Here, what you need to do is go to the manage section, and in manage section, choose the option labeled as close your account. So choose that option. Once you choose that option, you'll be asked to sign into a Microsoft account. So enter your credentials. Once you enter your email, phone number or your username, click on the next button. Now you'll be asked to enter a password to your Microsoft account, so enter the password. Once you enter your password, click on the sign in button. Now Microsoft will ask you if you have the access to the phone number or the email address that you used to create a Microsoft account to receive a verification code. So choose your phone number or email respectively. After you choose your email or phone number respectively, Microsoft will send a verification code to your phone or email. So go to that email or phone number and enter the verification code. Once you enter the code, click on the verify button. Once you click on the verify button, you'll land on an interface like this. Here are some instructions given by Microsoft account before you close your Microsoft account, so go through them. Once you go through all the instructions, scroll down and click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, you'll land on an interface like this. Here you'll need to agree to all the terms and conditions for Microsoft before you close your account. So check these boxes to agree. Once you select all the options and scroll down, you'll need to select a reason why you want to delete your Microsoft account. So select a reason. Once you select a reason, you'll need to tap on the mark account for closure button. So tap on that button. Now after you've done that, your Skype account or your Microsoft account will be deleted. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.